Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Wix for building your online store, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with Wix for building your online store, first, visit the Wix website. On the home page, click on the Get Started button. If you already have a Wix account, enter your login details. If not, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Wix dashboard. Click on the Create New Site option. You will be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create. Select Online Store from the list of options. Wix will then guide you through a series of questions to personalize your experience. Answer these questions accurately to help Wix tailor recommendations for your store. After completing the initial setup, you can choose to start with a template or a blank site. If you opt for a template, browse through the various designs available. When you find a template you like, click Edit to customize it. Use the drag and drop feature to add elements such as images, products, and text. To add products to your store, navigate to the Products section in the left-hand menu. Click on Add Product to include new items in your online store. Fill in product details like name, price, and description. You can also upload high-quality images of your products. After adding all your products, make sure to organize them into collections or categories. This will help customers navigate your store more easily. Next, set up payment methods by going to the Settings menu. Choose from various payment providers like PayPal, Stripe, or manual payments. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen payment method. Once your payment setup is complete, proceed to configure your shipping options. Select the shipping methods you want to offer customers. You can set shipping rates based on regions or order sizes. Now, it's time to customize your website's design further. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.